Adrian.
Bro, this train is so noisy, why? Henry! Mr. Henry says it there. Loud bro, please put this train up.
Broke my ear, I can't hear you anymore. Adrian.
You are so naughty boy, Adrian. He can't break your ears, bro, Henry.
Bro, stop complaining, let's finish train ride for now. Adrian.
Bro, you will never
guys
stop
need
people.
to stop
Say I'm
complaining.
funny, don't know why.
Aaron.
Henry. Wait, I'm funny, I. Hopefully am.
Bro, I can't stop with laughter, I swear you are so funny.
Mr. Henry says let us go that is my job. You like be funny? Henry funny.
Bro, this funny.
Don't forget me, I am the cool and I am big in hair with guards dragging Adrian.
About me, bro. I am cool, and I'm not a bacon. And I have bodyguards. Henry.
Okay, I don't care. I'm a bacon hare, but I'm not being rude, Adrian.
Bro, I am funny, so funny everyone likes me, hopefully. My voice doesn't change, Henry.
Oh, my voice changed, so I am more a farmer, and I am not funny, I am Henry.
Oh my gosh, I have funny voice now, Henry.
Okay, now I am for real or a farman, Adrian.
Okay, we're at the station now, bar. Tite, ese nata and da. I am so funny, Henry.
Ha! 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 We'll be aura farming soon, Adrian. Adrian.
Train is at platform 1, and well, it's cool. This is awkward. Bye. Stop talking.
I'm changing my voice. Do you like this new voice? I like it. A drain.
Okay, how are you changing voice 24 septimos? Man, you must be something. You are very powerful, bro. This is not fair. You only had a few times, bro, and now the TSF said. Henry.
I have something in my serve that I can change voice with.
You don't have any selves. Henry!
Let's not talk about this. Adrian. Adrian.
Silence for a long time, why, Henry?
Last station.
Now it's time for Aura Farmer raid.
Wait a second. Only 30% of you are subscribed and 70% are not. If you are not subscribed, then subscribe now, it's free.